Ngobongani Mkhwananzi weZimbabwe Community South Africa. Spokesperson seZimbabwe Community South Africa.
Namafitshane kwi-summit kuyinokwenzela i-summit.
I-summit idalwe ukukhalaza kwabantu before udaba lolu mhlawumbe waluzwa ku-Deep Sleuth lapho kwadutshulwa khona ipolice. Bekuvele sekulohlelo lwe-summit kwakune message ya circulator futhi kakhulu ku-social media abantu bekhala bethi ikakhulu eBeria basiqamba istrata bathu sopa sokuyino-go area ama-criminal azenzela umathanda abosisi bayabanjwa laphana kune-recording even e-circulator yosisi othi wabanjwa bamngenisa ku-building bamdlwengula zonke lezi zinto ezibuhlungu ebese sizizwa ezivela ku-community. Kodwa ke kuthe sekwenzeke ukudutshulwa kwepolisa leyo nto yasenza sagijima kakhulu to try and host something where we are saying hayi mphakathi there's something that we can do, we must do something, crime is just getting out of hand. And so kusiba ukuthi izizalwane zakithi nazo seziqanjwa ziku crime lapha abantu bayakhala ukuthi babanjwa ngabantu bakithi.
Bese kusithi-ke kube lezikhalazo eziningi lapho eziphumileyo niphumela siphi isombululo phakathi kwani yini elizoyenza kusukela manje?
Kuzikhulumi ngobuningi bazo zikhuluma impela ama-point amaningi zabonisa i-crime from multiple facets where abanye bakhulume